welcome to Be Creative Art Hub. The first step of the oyster balls are to stick with the epoxy resin, the crystals, and then of course need to be first washed and ready to use for painting and decorating. The second step is to paint any object or idea you wanted to use on the shell, and paint it with acrylic paint. Then after that, wait until it's a bit dry. You add another layer again of the acrylic just to give it more color into the picture. As you can see, the first layer is very transparent, and then after it's dry you can add a bit touch more color on top. And all usually I'm using like flora, nature related pictures, but it could be abstract or any of your imagination. When you're happy with the picture you did, then what I do, I add with the marker the details of highlighting the picture that would stand out from the white background. And but it's up to you to do the stage. If you're happy with your painting and you don't want to use a black marker, is absolutely fine. So when it's done, I just use varnish to finish up the seal it the painting to keep it strong. And then I use a golden paint, or you can use a gold leaf on the sides if you like to finish your shells to look more glamorous and shiny. And this is all done and ready for you to use or give it as to your friend as a gift. It's beautiful decoration in the house, and it's very useful. As for the little things like, rings or earrings or any everyday items. Thank you for watching Be Creative Art Hub.